Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sanjana here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you my Shein haul which I recently got from Shein. So all the products are under 120, 30 except for 1 or 2, 3 products. Otherwise the rest of the things are max going range is 250. Nothing more is higher than this price. So usually I don't do Shein haul or something like that, though I really love Shein because they have really unique designs in case of jewelry, in case of dresses, in case of everything I guess. And if I tell you one thing, it gives you very reasonable range to buy for. Some people think that Shein is very much expensive, but yes, it can be expensive for those who are not knowing how to buy things from Shein. And mostly everyone knows about Shein nowadays, so I need not to tell more about the company. But one thing I want to tell you about is please just log on to Shein every single day so that you can collect the points from there, and whenever you are going to buy from the Shein, then that points will be redeemed, and because of which you are going to get the products at a very cheap price. Trust me, I used to do this every single day. I log in into the Shein and I click over the points option. I'll just put the video at the end how to do that, and after that if you will redeem the point 2 or 3 points every single day, you will be going to get. And for example, like today you started to redeem the point, and after 1 month you wanna buy something, then of course there will be like 100 or 250 points, and which will you can deduct it at the end of your cart. When you will be going to check out from your cart, you can redeem those points. That's so simple and that's so easy to buy products. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just show you guys what I have got. So guys, the first thing is I have this big bag. पहली बार मैं बताना चाहती हूँ, हमेशा Shein से मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया है दे सेंड गुड पैकेजिंग, बट for the first time I didn't like the outer packaging. The product was just directly put into it. Like covering in the sense only the plastic covering was there. There was nothing as such which gives the protection to hold of the things inside it. But okay, but still I got my product safe. That is what is really important. So let's just show you guys मैंने पहले क्या buy किया. Of course जो मैं buy करती हूँ वो मैं पहन लेती हूँ as usual. So yeah, this is the first thing which I got. Look at the beautiful earrings. This was a set of earring. I don't know whether it is visible to you guys or not. Just look at this piece over here. This is a star shaped earring, and then they have these 2 small earrings. So yeah, this is the first thing which I got from this haul. So yeah, I just love it. You can see how beautiful it is, and this cost me around 99 rupees. Can you imagine? 99. It was on sale. And the second thing which I got is these 2 belts. These were the pair of belts. Look at the buckles. It's so pretty, chic buckles, like matte look it is, and the quality is super good, trust me. Look at the belt leather quality. This is, I don't think so this is the pure leather, but look at the matte finish over the belt. It's so beautiful, yaar. I just love it. I'm gonna just style it up somehow, and just stay tuned to me on my Instagram. I'm for sure gonna post something along with this. So yeah, this pair of belt cost me around 300, which is quite a good deal for 2 belts. 300 rupees. Hats off to me, of course. So ये मेरा दूसरा प्रोडक्ट था जो मैंने Shein से मंगवाया था. तीसरा भी बेल्ट है. ऑफ कोर्स मैं बेल्ट होल्डर इसलिए होती जा रही हूँ बिकॉज आजकल मैं थोड़ी स्टाइल ऑफ वीडियोज़ बना रही हूँ, तो या मेरे को बस बेल्ट इकट्ठे करनी पसंद आ रही हैं. सो दिस वन इज़ अ स्टील गाइज. दिस बेल्ट, लुक एट द बकल ओवर हियर. This is such a pretty gold buckle, and whole of a belt is into the form of a like lacy look, and I'll just post a picture after this. Just look at it. I'll just post the picture how it looks on me. So this belt is like this. You just need to put it around like this on the waist, and yeah, you can tuck with the sari, you can tuck your long tops, or even along with the one piece. This will go like wow. So this is the third piece which I got, and this similar piece my sister also got. So we both got it, two belts, like just the same, and it cost us around 180 or something, I'm not sure. But if you want to know the prices, you can just go into my description box. Everything will be given in detail, or I'll try to post a picture somewhere in between. And the next thing is also a belt. क्या ही बोलूँ, मैं बेल्ट से इकट्ठी कर रही हूँ. So this is a transparent belt. This is such a beautiful belt, and this is definitely a steal without any single doubt. Look at the buckle. Just look at this pearls buckle. It is such a beautiful belt and whole of a transparent thingy, and then there is all the golden beads around the belt. Look at it. It's so beautiful, yeah. And I got it into 168 or 160, something like that. Like, no, I guess 215. No, I don't wanna extend this video on discussing the price. I'll just post the prices over there. So yeah, this was another belt, and of course, me and my sister both got it, two piece. So yeah, this is the another belt. Okay. So मेरे हाथ लग रही है उसकी दूसरी बेल्ट जो मैंने ब्लैक में आपको दिखाई थी. Then there is such a beautiful set of earrings I got. Of course, this also pair of two because me and my sister. Look at these earrings, guys. This pearl one is definitely my favorite, and this is into the leopard print, just like this. But nah, this won't be going to suit that much, so I didn't wear it along with. And this is the tassel earring in between. Then another pearl over here. This is the stone earring. This is something of a printed type of earring. This is my favorite most thing which we got, because you know, guys, I am hoarder for what? I'm hoarder for everything. I'm hoarder for makeup. I'm hoarder for jewelry, nowadays bells also. I cannot say that I don't love this or that. I love everything, you know me. So yeah, this is another thing which we both have got, and this cost us around, इसमें तो price लिखा नहीं है, but I guess this cost us around 120 or 25, I'm not sure. Price बता दूँगी. So next thing देखते हैं क्या है. Trust me, this is awesome. This is awesome. But the only thing which me and my sister both didn't like about this purse is so beautiful. I just totally love these kind of handbags. This my sister got. As you guys know that थोड़े दिन पहले मेरी sister का birthday था. So she got this order. She like processed this order, but we haven't got it earlier. So yeah, that time we didn't reached out to this parcel. But look at this purse. This purse is hers, and this is so beautiful. But हम दोनों को इसके size से थोड़ा problem है. This purse cost us around 500 something. So 500 के according, the quality is really good. Even the golden quality, the gold quality, this chain is very good. It do have two chains along with it. Like one is this one, the buckle kind of thing. Buckle, I'm not sure what it is called. The another is a long chain so that you can make it into a sling bag. I'm fine with this, but still I'll refer you guys that still the size is very small. Otherwise, this is really beautiful. This is chic kind of bag. I really love it. So yeah, this is next thing. उसके बाद हमारे हाथ लग रही है एक और बेल्ट. So yeah, this is the another belt. Okay, let's just open this. So yeah, this is the belt where the buckle is kind of giving you a marble kind of print. Yeah, and this is whole of a leather kind of look, which is really in matte finish. Trust me, the quality is really good for the price. This also cost us around 200 something. So yeah, this is another thing which we got and it's amazing without any doubt. आगे मेरे हाथ फिर से सेम चीज़ लग रही है, सेम चीज़, वही मेरी पिक्चर की इयररिंग्स, ये वही ट्रांसपेरेंट बेल्ट. So yeah. So the last thing is this dress, which is really much pretty. I'm gonna just post the picture of the dress, but I can just show you the quality. It's so beautiful. And this dress is having a back slit which gives really sexy look. So yeah, this is the quality of the clothes. This dress cost us around 800 something rupees, which was like really good. So I'll just post the dress picture because it's long and I cannot show you guys. So yeah, this is it for today guys. मैंने आज जो भी कुछ बाय किया था from Shein वो आपको सब दिखा दिया है and everything was really affordable. Anybody can buy from Shein, trust me, and it even costs you lesser than the market price, trust me, because I used to buy earlier from the market and I know the difference when you buy products from Shein in the same price, but the quality is such good in comparison to the quality of the market products. So I'll refer you guys, if you are still not buying things from Shein, you can just totally go and buy anything from there. It will totally worth to buy and spend money from there. So yeah, this is it for today's video guys, and if you like my video and if you like to keep on watching me, please do give me big fat thumbs up, and also if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also if you have still not clicked on the bell icon, please just go and click on the bell icon so that whenever I post new video, you will be going to get notified about it. And okay, if you want to share to your friends or somewhere else, wherever, like your girlfriend, your boyfriend, like boyfriend को तो क्या ही share करोगे मेरी videos, but if you wanna share to your girlfriend, you can totally go and share to your girlfriend so that she can buy things from Shein or she can just watch my vlogs. And also if you have not went to my Instagram channel, you can just totally go to my Instagram channel. यहीं कहीं मैंने अपने Instagram channel का name describe किया होगा. You can just go and follow me over there because I'm super active over Instagram and I keep on posting new things over there. Whatever I get, all the makeup videos and everything, like all the style of videos. So yeah, बहुत बकवास कर ली है, अभी मैं जा रही हूँ. Love you lots guys and keep on shopping and keep on staying happy and sexy. Bye bye.